उसको हम बढ़ा सकते हैं. So good thing about confidence is that either you have it or you develop it. There is nothing called I am not confident, I do not have confidence. There is nothing like this which exists. Why? Because it is not a part of your house कि हमारे घर में 2 कमरे हैं, 3 कमरे हैं, हमारे घर में सोफा है कि बेड है कि नहीं है. It is not that. Confidence is a part of us, our being. So like you have blood, like you have body parts, like you have heart and brain, you also have confidence somewhere hidden within you. You have it or you have to develop it. So you need to make certain efforts to make sure that your confidence is enhanced and developed. So that is exactly what we are going to do today. I'm going to give you some tips and tricks which can be beneficial for you all to enhance confidence. Because what I said earlier, there is nothing like I do not have confidence, and this is not acceptable because confidence is a must for each one of us. Okay?
Ma'am,
Everyone is confident. Yes, everyone is confident. But what happens is sometimes why it happens that not everybody goes for all the school projects, nor why everybody doesn't participate in the society programs, why everybody is not chosen to represent a particular game or a particular performance in the school or in your society. Why does that happen? Because everybody wants to choose the best, someone who has the most maximum confidence, who can do full justice to it, isn't it? So keeping that in mind, we all have to develop that confidence so that we all are the best, because ultimately you are the ones who are the future of our nation, and each one of you should have confidence. Okay, so how to develop confidence? Very important thing is believing in yourself. Like you said, ma'am, everyone has confidence. So this was such a positive statement. Means that I have confidence, people around me have confidence. That is the belief, that is the faith, that is the trust, believing in ourselves. Franklin Roosevelt once said that men are the prisoners of fate. They are not the prisoners of fate, but they are the prisoners of their mind. What do you think, you become. What if you think I can do it, you would be able to do it. Yes, if you think I can do it, you can do it. If you think I cannot do it, then also you are right, you cannot do it. So it is a very simple, basic thing. We have to believe in ourselves, our qualities and our potential. Because many times what happens, we create mental barrier. What happens? Sometimes it's about our looks, sometimes it's about our attitude, sometimes it's about our financial status, sometimes it's about our parents, teachers, school. We think situation, we create situations mentally. We feel, oh, maybe her parents are very understanding, that's why she's able to participate in everything.
Yes.
Sometimes we feel, oh, teachers really like her so much or him so much, that's why he's getting all the opportunities. Sometimes we feel, oh, his parents have so much of money that he can go to every class and attend all the expensive tuitions and this and that, and he's so lucky. But these are our mental barriers. These are not the reality. These are our mental barriers. Some people do have privileges more than us. That can be a fact. But we know that this is our situation and this is what I have, and I have to be successful and I have to be confident being in this situation. You can't change your family. You can't change your family status. You can't change your school. You can't change anything. Can you change that? It's not easy. What can you change? You can change yourself, your attitude. So stop comparing, never compare. Maybe somebody might be better than you, somebody might be lesser than you, but you need to learn to adapt that this is what I have and I am going to shine with these circumstances only. Okay? So this is about believing in yourself, and this is very powerful tool, I must say. Okay, this is very, very powerful. If you start practicing it, it's tough, it's very difficult, because every day when you see other people getting more privileges, it's very difficult. But ultimately it is not between you and others, it is between you and your own self. Because if you would keep thinking such things, you would never be able to develop that confidence. You would never be able to gain more confidence. Okay. So first is believe in yourself. Do not compare. Don't create any unnecessarily mental barriers. Okay. Second is know yourself. Your parents know you, your teachers know you, your ma'am, schools, relatives, everybody knows you. But who knows you the best? Who knows you the most? Your own self. You know yourself the most. So every day, what you do from today onwards, after attending my session, even if you like it, buy a nice diary or a notebook and write what you think are your qualities and what you think are your weaknesses, negatives, or areas of improvement, something like that. Okay. So know yourself more and work on them. Okay. Try to work on your shortcomings. Try to work on your strengths also, that okay, this is, I'm good in singing, so I'm going to sing even more. I'm going to find different ways to enhance my confidence. I'm going to probably open a YouTube channel. I'm going to probably next time whenever I'm meeting my friends, I'm going to arrange a musical program. So try to inculcate in your own self, know yourself in details, your qualities, your weaknesses. Write notes every day. Just take 5 minutes out in the night and write about yourself, because it's all about our introspection. There are times when you would feel कि मम्मी को मैंने बोल दिया, मामा और आपकी conflict हो गई, और आपने मामा को बोल भी दिया, मामा you are wrong, your point of view is wrong, this is how things go these days. Or even with your teacher, maybe you can feel that, oh, today the way ma'am taught me was not clear to me. It is an old methodology. This school is doing this, that school is doing this. It can happen every day. But deep in your heart, when you introspect, you know कि मैंने अपनी ममा को जरूर कुछ बोला है, but maybe the way I said was incorrect. When you talk to your own self, you feel it. Does it happen with you all? It happens with me.
Yes.
Yes,
It
ma'am.
happens. Yes,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
Yes,
many
ma'am.
times we many times, thank you for your answers. Many times we are not able to accept it with the people, even if the people are our teachers or our mother or a father. But with our own self, there is no transparency. You are very clear. You know कि थोड़ा सा प्यार से भी इस point को हम ठीक कर सकते हैं. Okay, so let's move ahead on this note that you would definitely be creating a diary and writing about your positives and negatives, and writing about whatever little you learn in every day. Okay, so believe in yourself, we have done. Next, we move to know yourself, we have done. Now we come to, oh, I'm going too fast. Wait. Yes, enhance your strengths and work on your weakness. Now, this is very, very critical, because what happens is we are so much focused on our own weakness. Like, for example, if I am not good in maths, let's say, okay, let's say I'm genuinely not very good in maths. So that's a confession. You know the secret now. So if I'm not good in maths, what I would do, I would keep doing all the time, which is a good thing because I'm improving on my weakness. Maths, I'm weak. But what am I good at? I'm very good in science. I'm very good in English. I would try to sideline those, and my focus would be मैथ्स में तो नंबर बिल्कुल नहीं आए, मैथ्स में तो 60 आए, मैथ्स में तो 55 भी नहीं आ रहे, मैथ्स में तो 65 कैसे लाऊंगी, कैसे करूंगी, सारी मेरी मार्क्स कम हो जाएंगे, मेरा एकेडमिक रिकॉर्ड खराब हो जाएगा, मेरे मेरे में आई. नाउ माय फोकस इज ऑल ऑन मैथ्स बिकॉज़ दैट्स माय वीकनेस. But we have to learn to balance. You have to work on your weakness, but you make sure that in the whole process you do not let your strengths go down. पता चले कि मैंने अगर साइंस और इंग्लिश भी नहीं पढ़ी उतने ध्यान से because I'm confident, oh ये तो मुझे आता है. But if I don't brush up my science and English, what would happen? Very soon, maths to thoda sa, maybe if I'm getting 65, probably I'll get 75 if I work hard. But what about these subjects where I was scoring 90, 95? They would also fall down to 80, 85, and my overall result would be again affected. So you're getting my point here? I'll give you another example. If I am a fat lady and I feel that, oh God, mera weight kitna zyada hai, mera weight kitna zyada hai, and I keep worrying about that because that's my weakness. Now this is something which I can work on. I need to work on my fitness and I can be slim. But let's say मेरा weight नहीं हो रहा, तो मुझ में positive भी तो होंगे. Positive क्या है? I cook so well. I make lovely food for my family. But or probably second thing is I sing well or I dance well. But my focus is all on my weight, and so much on my weight that I in that whole process I lose confidence. I'm feeling bad about myself that, oh God, I don't look good. If I don't look good, I don't want to cook good. If I'm not cooking good, I don't want to dance. I don't want to do anything. I am screaming, shouting, yelling, upset. What is happening to my good points? They are turning into bad. They are also turning into my weakness. Now those people who would say, oh, you are a lovely dancer, you are a lovely cook, they would say that you have cooked for long, you have stopped cooking. Why? So this is the essence, that you have to track your goal. So here what I would like you to do, if you would be making that diary which I mentioned, you write your strengths and weakness and track your goals. Okay, try to track your goals by writing it after every week. See, have you worked on any of your weakness? Have you turned any of your strengths into better strength, or have you turned any of your weakness into strength? Try to evaluate, and it is just between you and yourself, and you would see that people around you start seeing results. Your parents would be happy, your teachers would be happy. Okay, so are you all with me on this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
You all
Yes,
good,
ma'am.
good. Okay, it's very effective. Let me tell you, it's very
Yes, ma'am.
effective. It may sound difficult right now, but it's very effective. Right, if you feel you have 50 good points and 2 negatives, you write that. If you feel I have 50 negatives and 2 positives, write that. Whatever you genuinely feel, write that, and you would see the result. Keep changing your every monthly, every fortnightly, or whatever is your goal track. Try to keep changing it, and you would feel and see the result so well. Okay, you would see that you are improving. Accept the way you are. This is the essence of getting confidence. If you are born in a certain way, let's say if you are your short height, okay, if you have mark on your face, or if you are fair, dark, whatever, these are the things which we cannot change about ourselves. Okay, this is something which we need to learn to accept. If we keep cribbing, oh, I don't know this, I don't know that, I don't have good looks, I don't have good body, he is fitter, she is better, yourself, how can you accept the world to respect you and love you? You need to start loving yourself today. You need to start loving and accepting the way you are. And if you start reading books, you would find there are so many people with disabilities. हमें तो क्या होता है, एक पिंपल निकल आता है, हमें प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है, बाल कम हो रहे हैं, प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है, मार्क्स कम आ रहे हैं, प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है, हम कोरोना आ गया, हम सब अपसेट हो गए, फ्रेंड से नहीं मिल पा रहे. तो there are these things which are affecting us. There are people born with disabilities, and they have become IAS, they have bought laurels for India on a global platform. Okay, so this is very, very important, that accept the way you are, love yourself, and this would give you confidence in an immense way. अगर आपको अपने आप से प्यार हो जाएगा ना, तो आपको वैलिडेशन की जरूरत ही नहीं होगी, है ना. और जब आप अपने से प्यार करोगे तो बहुत आसानी से आप दुनिया से प्यार करने लगोगे, अपने देश से प्यार करने लगोगे, आपको किसी की कोई बात बुरी ही नहीं लगेगी, because it will not affect you. You are the best. I know my weakness, I know my strengths, I know where I'm lacking, I know what I'm doing. Okay, so moving ahead, the magic mantra. This is my magic mantra. Okay, so whatever I have earned in my life, whatever I have achieved in my life, I have been following this, and now I tell my own kids. I am the mother of 2 kids, and I tell them, for every situation, every time, if you have to walk on the stage, or you have to prepare for some examination, or you have to do anything, just say, I can do it. Just tell yourself, and you would be able to do it. Okay, and my 7-year-old daughter who is in class 2, she also follows it. Sometimes she has to prepare for some speech and she's not able to memorize it, or she's not able to do reflect it in a good way. Then she keeps saying that, and this gives me happiness because this gives her power. So do try this and let me know whenever we meet next, whenever I come to your school next, that whether you have tried it and whether it has helped you or not. Now we come to COVID and confidence. I hope you're not getting late. It's 2 o'clock, but we have time. Correct?
Yes, ma'am, we have. We have 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah.
2:15. Okay, fine. So, tough times never last. Tough people do. This is a beautiful quote by Mr. Sculler, and he says this, and I totally agree to that. Corona is a tough time, very difficult time for each one of us, and very sad time because people are dying, people are getting sick. It's affected globally. So definitely, overall, when you see your family is getting affected, your relatives getting unwell, or you open the news channels or read newspapers and you see negative news, it affects you. It downgrades your morale and you feel very low, and it affects your confidence. But what we have to do, we have to be tough people. Are we all tough people here?
Yes.
Yes. So we need to
Yes,
be
ma'am.
tough. We need to be really tough. Okay. So you see and analyze as a student. For students, this corona effect was very much tremendous. Why? Because all of a sudden schools were shut. So we will analyze today that whether your IQ, EQ, CQ, SQ, your intelligence quotient, your emotional quotient. My voice is cracking a lot. Is it still cracking?
No,
Varuni?
miss.
No,
No,
ma'am,
ma'am, you're audible.
no.
No,
Is it
ma'am,
better
you're
now?
perfectly audible.
I'm audible? Okay. So, fine. So, IQ, EQ, CQ, and SQ. These are the 4 questions which enable together to create our confidence. So, intelligence quotient.
Yes,
Do
ma'am,
you
your
think
voice.
in some way it is
I think
cracking?
there's a
May I
problem
see
from
something,
your
please?
end.
Is it? Am I audible now? Now, can you hear me better?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Varuni, beta, just check your internet connection because we can hear, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Now
because
I
there is
can
some Saurabh
hear
Verma also
yeah,
right
Okay.
here.
all right.
Okay,
Let's
fine.
go ahead.
Fine. So I'll repeat it, the last line once again, that when we're talking about confidence in students, of course, it's a tough time for all of you. But let's analyze whether your IQ, that is intelligence quotient, your EQ, emotional quotient, CQ, your creative quotient, and SQ, your social quotient is affected. And if it is affected, how it is affected to lose your confidence. Because I feel the way things are, it should not affect in a broader way to for you to shake your confidence. Okay. So analyze IQ. IQ is your intelligence, your aptitude, your mental ability. It would have been affected had the schools were closed, because no activity to the brain, no mental hustle bustle creates, it definitely affects IQ. But what is happening? Your schools are open, you are working online, you are attending your classes. So do you think your IQ should be affected because of corona?
No, ma'am.
Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, because you are working, your brain is working. Your brain probably would have got a more, what you say, a more better IQ had you been going to school. But with these webinars and sessions and everything, your brain is getting good fodder. Your brain is getting good food. So it is not affected. So it should not be the reason to lose confidence. Now coming to emotional quotient. Yes, of course, we feel very sad. We are not meeting our friends, our teachers. We are all away from each other. We miss each other. We all miss each other, meeting each other. So
Yes, ma'am.
emotionally, we are in a, yes, so we are in a turmoil emotionally. Yes. That you are handling it so well, isn't it? You are in the house, managing classes, managing without living with your friends, adapting to the new present scenario. You are such strong people. Emotionally also, it is affecting you in a good way, is it? Are you learning something or not? Are you all helping your parents? Are you all
Yes, ma'am.
adapting to the new thing? Or you are breaking rules and going out and outside? You're adapting, right? You're
Yes.
learning. And imagine your principal ma'am has seen this situation for the first time ever in her life. I have seen this situation for the first time, and our age group is different. And you people are just tiny little fellows, and you have already got the strength, the potential to face such a big pandemic. So aren't you all learning and being more emotionally equipped and adaptive? Agree or disagree?
Ma'am,
See,
agree.
you don't have to say yes all the time.
Agree. Ma'am,
You agree, then only yes. If you okay, good,
Ma'am,
good.
may I
If you
say
agree,
something?
excellent. If you do not agree, you hold the thought. Yes, dear.
Ma'am, we should
Otherwise,
stand
what?
up for ourselves.
Okay, so what we do in the end, we would keep some time for your question answer. So you hold on or park your thought and write it somewhere so that you can ask me, because I'm about to, to come to the closure of it. So emotional question, if we discuss, yes, it has affected us. Yes, we have gone through tough time, but it has made us a better person. We are more adaptive now. We know something which our parents have learned today. We are so strong, aren't we? Coming to the CQ, creative questions. Yes, you are not able to do swimming, you're not able to play a sport, you're not able to go out, to play cricket, football, whatnot. However, these webinars, these technologies, these workshops, this interaction, this YouTube channels that you must be watching every day, all this is a blessing for you. It's a boon. Imagine if coronavirus would have happened when I was in your class, I was your age. I don't know what I would have done, because we had no phones. We just had a landline. We had only one television, and that too, there were specific programs at specific timings, and nothing. No phones, no WhatsApp, no way to contact our friends, to speak to them. So it would have been difficult, so tough. But here, your creativity quotient is being balanced so beautifully with these webinars and workshops that we is being conducted, isn't it? Okay, the last is social quotient. Of course, we are maintaining social distancing. We are not meeting out. We are not going out. We're not meeting people. We are having a lot of distance. And it is sad. It is very upsetting. It's very depressing. But you are just a phone call away. You make video calls. Today I can see you all on the screen. It's such a boon. It's such a blessing. In my times, first of all, these webinars could not be conducted. Second, I could not even see my teacher for 6 months. I could not meet my friends. Today, I'm sure you would be making video calls to your family, to your parents, to your grandparents and everyone. So you're connected, isn't it? So this social question should also, you feel that it is not totally detached, because somewhere it is connected. Somewhere you have that thing fulfilling it, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So now that we know that your IQ, EQ, CQ, and SQ all are definitely affected, however, it is being taken care of. You have got different options to explore. So do you think this situation, this whole coronavirus, COVID-19 should affect your confidence in any way?
No, ma'am.
No. In case your parents ever say, no, भाई कोरोना वायरस आ गया है और बहुत सैड टाइम है और बहुत बच्चों की पढ़ाई इफेक्ट हो रही है, ये हो रहा है, होता है ना, मामा पापा को तो चिंता होती है, then you should say, but we believe in ourselves and we know we are learning so much. We are connected to our friends and we are getting better and better human being. We are being strong. And that, why would you say? Not because Kirti Mishra Narang is telling you to. You would say because you should start feeling it this way. You should have gratitude about the fact that you are all well connected. You can still learn more. So don't waste your time on games only or watching, YouTube all the day. Watch constructive things, learn more and more things, so that it is this time when you're home for long, you can really boost up your qualities, you can boost up your potential, and it can really give a good kickstart to your confidence. Okay, so there's a beautiful quote by William James: one of the deepest desire of each human being is the desire to be appreciated. हमें बहुत अच्छा लगता है, एक छोटे से बच्चे को भी आप बोलोगे ना आप बहुत क्यूट लग रहे हो, वो खुश हो जाता है. आप मुझे भी बोलोगे कि मैम आई लाइक योर सेशन, आई वुड बी हैप्पी. If I tell you all you are wonderful students, you're being there, you are keeping your cameras on, you are maintaining the discipline, you would also like it, won't you? So appreciation is something which is required every day. But अगर आपके पेरेंट्स आपको डांट रहे हैं, या मैम गुस्सा है क्योंकि होमवर्क नहीं किया, पेरेंट्स गुस्सा है क्योंकि खाना टाइम से नहीं खा रहे हो, सो दैट्स ऑल राइट. यू नीड टू seek appreciation from your own self. Do good work and pat on your back. Okay, what you do, पर कुछ अच्छा करना पड़ेगा उसके लिए. अगर आप पूरा दिन YouTube देख रहे हो, तो एक दिन मैंने कहा था ना आपको, that's positive and negative, so analyze that. And when you see, wow, on my goal tracker I am moving ahead. आज मैंने 2-3 चीजें प्रोडक्टिव करी, आज मैंने कुछ नया सीखा, आज मैंने 2 इंग्लिश के वर्ड सीखे, आज मैंने किसी के अच्छे कोट्स सीखे, आज मैंने कोई लैंग्वेज में भी फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज की कुछ बॉन्जोस बोलना सीखा, कुछ भी सीखा, whatever you learn. आज मैंने कुकिंग सीखी, आज मम्मा की हेल्प करी, आज मैंने मैम को कोई बहुत अच्छा आंसर दिया, आज मैंने पढ़ाई ज्यादा करी. whatever is your thing, if you feel that gives you happiness, pat on your back and appreciate yourself. Self appreciation is good, it's not bad, but because appreciation enhances confidence. And within your friend circle also, appreciate each other. If your friend does a good project or good homework, say, I'm very impressed, I'm happy that you really did such a good project today, or the way you gave that answer was brilliant. Appreciate each other. It is nice, it is a feel good factor, it adds positivity, it adds to confidence, your confidence and your beloved or your friend's confidence. And last, I would like to say, remember this ABCD of life. Okay, um, correct attitude, the positive attitude if you have, the right belief of if you have, with the confidence and the determination, you can do anything in life. It can be as simple as making a little science project for your school, or it can be as big as making your country proud by doing something big in your career. Okay, so this thing, these ABCD is very, very important. And these are my handles in case you want to reach out to me, you want to ask me something individually.
Tutor.
I'm on Twitter as well. I have not written that here. I can give you separately.
Okay, Miss, thank you.
Thank you, dear. And now it's your time. You let me know your questions and answers.
Anyone wants to ask any question to ma'am? Can go for it. Or you can write it in the chat box.
Okay, so first of all, I would really request you all to come on the video and show me your confidence. Everybody who was typing number 1 option, I want to see all of you to right now. Okay, it would be nice. All of you come on the screen.
On your
Everyone,
camera.
lovely. Yes, switch on your camera because it's already a winding up time. So let me see the beautiful faces. Okay, so do ask your questions. This is the time. Whatever question can be anything. You whatever you feel, you must ask me. And during my session also, in case there was any doubt, anything you want me to explain again, or anything pertaining to that, you ask me. so you can take permission or raise your hand so that I know this is the time, because then only I would know that आपने सुना मेरा session, आपको समझ में आया. See, you all are confident, but you are, not. You're very hesitant to raise your hand.
May I ask a question? Kirti ma'am?
Yeah, of course, ma'am. Of course.
Okay, well, Kirti ma'am, my question is that you said that when you were a child you were very shy, and you are when you were a child you were very you were not very interested about mathematics. So most of the children in our school, also everywhere, they are very afraid of mathematics. How did you win over your fear, and how did you build up your confidence? What are the practical tips? What did you do to build up your confidence?
Okay, so when I was in 7th grade, that's when I had very good marks in the other subjects, and all of a sudden I would not be able to score more than 65 or 70 in maths. I was that poor in maths. Okay, so my rest of the marks would be 90, and maths I would get 65. My parents would be very upset, and they would be like, okay, you need a tutor, we would put a tutor. So they put a tutor also for me, but again my performance was the same. Okay, as bad in maths. So maths mein mera dabba goal tha. But what happened then, it started affecting me, because my whole focus was only on maths. नहीं आएंगे, मेरे position ठीक नहीं होगी, and everybody started talking about class 8th की 8th grade is very difficult, उसमें maths और difficult हो जाएगी. So then I realized that let me start doing maths on a regular basis, because this is one area which is something I cannot do without. I can't say कि okay मुझे maths नहीं करना. I have to improve it. So I started doing maths. I even started, I took tuitions for a while, but then I left that because उससे भी कोई फायदा नहीं हो रहा था, क्योंकि मेरे को ही concentration नहीं हो रही थी maths में. मुझे डर था maths से. तो मैंने वो डर हटाया, और हर रोज एवरी डे मैं उसकी 10 क्वेश्चंस की प्रैक्टिस करती थी. मेरे पापा ऑफिस से आते थे और वो मुझसे चेक करते थे कि मैंने वो प्रैक्टिस किया है कि नहीं. एंड एज दे से प्रैक्टिस मेक्स अ मैन perfect. So धीरे धीरे I started getting better in maths. But at the same time, I knew that मेरा strong points है मेरी English और मेरे science subject. These two were very good. I would score. So मैंने साथ साथ अपने बाकी subjects को और अच्छा किया, ताकि अगर जो भी maths में अगर मेरी कुछ कमी रह भी जाएगी, तो वो मेरी कहाँ से cover up होगी? Science से and English से, social science से. So that's exactly what the strategy which I followed, and it helped me. I did not take my weakness as a problem area कि मेरा कुछ नहीं हो सकता, now I am not going to do anything, I am a failure, मेरे तो top 10 में मैं आऊंगी नहीं because maths अच्छा नहीं है. No. And let me tell you, even with that, I was always in top 10 of my class, because irrespective of the fact कि मेरा maths poor था, तब भी मैथ्स पुअर बाकी लोग तो नहीं कहते थे, पर मुझे लगता था पुअर है कि 70 फॉर मी वाज नॉट गुड, क्योंकि मुझे लगता था ये तो बहुत कम मार्क्स हैं, बाकी सब में 90 और इसमें 70 इज नॉट गुड. व्हाट अ बैलेंस प्रोपोर्शन. सो दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई वुड वांट यू आल्सो टू डू. जो सब्जेक्ट आपका अच्छा नहीं है उसमें आप वर्क करो और हर रोज करो. डोंट थिंक कि ये तो अच्छा नहीं है तो इस पे टाइम वेस्ट करना नहीं है. नहीं, वीकनेस को इम्प्रूव करना है और जो स्ट्रेंथ है उसको एनहांस करना है. दिस इज द बैलेंस. सो यू हैव टू डू दैट. और अपना कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्कुल लूज नहीं करना है. हमेशा जो भी चीज से आपका कॉन्फिडेंस लो होने लगे, आप उसको उस पे वर्क करना शुरू कर दो. बिफोर दैट प्रॉब्लम वर्क्स ऑन यू, यू स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन द प्रॉब्लम. ओके, एनीबॉडी एल्स? Who's that? Yes, Varuni. Who's speaking?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
can't just. Okay, yes.
Ma'am, seemed me that I was also really scared from maths, and my mother started. She said you have to go to. Then I, even from tuition, so I didn't get better, and I got even low marks. And then my mother said that you have to practice every. Ma'am, same thing happened. That after.
Good. See, because what happens when the moment our parents put us on tuition, we have an extra pressure. हमें लगता है ओ गॉड अब तो हमें और अच्छा करना ही करना है, क्योंकि ट्यूशन के लिए अलग पैसे दिए जा रहे हैं, ट्यूशन के लिए अलग टाइम दिया जा रहा है, मैं स्पेशली ट्यूशन करने जा रहा हूँ या जा रही हूँ, तो वो हमारे लिए एक्स्ट्रा प्रेशर हो जाता है ना। मगर प्रेशर मत लो, आपको ये उसको पॉजिटिव सोचो कि मैं एक्स्ट्रा मेहनत करूंगा। एंड यस, एज यू ऑल्सो सेड, द मोमेंट यू स्टार्ट प्रैक्टिसिंग, वर्क ऑन एनीथिंग एंड यू विल बी सक्सेसफुल, यू वुड गेट इट। आपको मैथ्स को हराना है, यस, और डोंट थिंक कि आपको 100 में से 100 लाना ही अच्छा है। अगर आप 60 लाते हो तो 70 लाने का टारगेट करो, थोड़ा बढ़ाने का टारगेट करो, है ना। 70 लाओगे तो यू विल फील मोर कॉन्फिडेंट, एंड देन नेक्स्ट टाइम 80 लाने का करो, बट गो स्लो, डोंट प्रेशराइज योरसेल्फ एक्स्ट्रा, बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली धीरे धीरे ही, जो कहते हैं ना टॉर्टोइज रेस जीतता है ना, रैबिट तो रेस नहीं जीतता, धीरे धीरे बेबी स्टेप से हम सकते हैं। Yes, I would really encourage you all to, ask me more questions. It will be nice. Whatever comes to your mind can be about anything. This is your time. Amaya, Sarana, I can see a lot of names here. Brahmini, I don't know your parents' name or your names, but you must ask.
Brahmini has joined from Lucknow. You will be happy to know. Like to hello Brahmini, belated happy birthday. And would you like to ask any question, Brahmini?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, please.
Ma'am, please give the tips for confident.
That's what you said?
Yes, ma'am.
Confidence.
So dear, easy, though the whole workshop was on confidence building, but whatever, I can just tell you over and above that which area do you think that you are lacking? Is there any particular area that you feel कि नहीं मुझको इसमें confidence की जरूरत है, या यहाँ मैं घबरा जाती हूँ, ऐसा कुछ है ब्राह्मणी?
Ma'am, in public.
Public speaking?
Yes, ma'am.
Sometimes what happens is हमें language से problem होता है, हम में confidence होता है, लैंग्वेज को बहुत इंपॉर्टेंस दे देते हैं। हमें लगता है कि अगर हम इंग्लिश में बात करेंगे तो हम अच्छा बोलेंगे, अच्छे लगेंगे, अगर हम हिंदी में बात करेंगे तो हम अच्छा नहीं करेंगे। Sometimes some people have phobia about this also, and that creates a mental barrier, and that's when they are hesitant. So in case, ma'am, I don't know you personally, Bhamini, but in case ऐसा कोई barrier है तो पहले तो आप उस barrier को हटाओ, ठीक है। और दूसरी चीज है, जो भी लैंग्वेज में आपको कंफर्टेबल हो, जो भी लैंग्वेज, कैन बी इंग्लिश, कैन बी हिंदी, you speak about that every day to yourself in front of the mirror. Give yourself some topic every day, 5-6 लाइनें उस पे बोलो, talk about anything, impromptu बोलो, गलत ही बोलोगे ज्यादा से ज्यादा, है ना, पर शीशे के सामने होगे तो you will be telling it to your own self, like let's say give your think about today's session, so you go and talk, today this happened, this lady came from Delhi, I was happy to attend, I learned this, I did not like this part, I liked that part. So you're telling your own self, and you're framing it in English or you're framing it in Hindi, whatever language you have problem in. This way you will get a lot of confidence, because वो hesitation होता है, हम में hesitation है public dealing के लिए कि लोग क्या सोचेंगे, what other people would think about us. Okay, so don't fear about other people. You feel अगर आज मैंने सबके बीच में बोला तो मुझे कितना अच्छा लगेगा. So see, today you spoke, you could ask a question. Are you feeling good about that? You asked, out of all the people, you got a chance to answer a question and ask a question.
Yes,
are you feeling
ma'am.
good? Did it
Yes,
give you a good feel good factor? So count these small little good feelings, count that and keep writing in your notebook. At the end of the month, you would be having a 30 pages of your goodness, and that is what would give you confidence. Oh wow, I spoke that day, I spoke 1 line, I spoke 3 lines. Anybody else?
Miss, can I ask a question?
Yes, dear, who's that? Just raise your hand so that I can see you and locate you. Yes, okay, Sarana. Saranya.
Yes, ma'am. Like we have 4 types of emotions like IQ, SQ, CQ, and EQ. So if anyone goes down, it will badly affect our confidence.
If anyone goes, then it can badly affect our confidence. That's what you're asking, dear? It's a very
Yes.
good question. Your name is Saranya?
Saranya.
Saranya. Okay, Saranya,
Ma'am,
it's a very good
Saranya.
question. Saranya, it's a very good question that you've asked. Answer is that yes, any of this goes here and there, it would affect our confidence. But what I taught in the session, that if we have something going less, what we do? We focus on the other three. Yes? So in case, let's say for some reason,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
let's say you're not able to attend any classes, you're not able to attend any workshop, you're not learning dance, and you are let's say you are a swimmer, okay, and you're not able to do swimming. So of course your CQ is affected. Even if I give you dance class, writing class, or any webinar workshop, you would still be feeling that hollowness for swimming because you like to swim. So your CQ is affected. So what you do? Then you enhance your other three modes so that the sadness, the hollowness which the CQ gets for you is compensated by enriching the other three emotional quotients. And how would you do that? You would try to do things that make you happy. So if swimming makes you happy, which you're not able to do, what second thing makes you happy? Maybe talking to your friends, maybe helping your mother, maybe reading a book, maybe speaking to your grandparents, maybe anything. I don't know what you want, but we have 3-4 things in our mind which we like to do. So if one we are not able to, we focus on other three, so that this IQ, EQ, CQ, SQ balance is not breached. Okay?
Miss, can I ask one?
Yes, Shubh.
Ma'am.
Welcome, dear.
Miss, in the session you talk about something in COVID-19. So मैम हम ये पूछना चाहते हैं कि जो COVID-19 है उसकी वजह से हम सोशल डिस्टेंस बहुत ही मेंटेन रख रहे हैं. तो आप कह रही थी कि अगर हमें एक दूसरे से मतलब बातचीत करनी है तो वीडियो कॉल कर सकते हैं मैम. You also say that. So मैम हम ये बोलना चाह रहे हैं कि अगर पास से बैठ कर बात करते हैं आमने सामने से तो थोड़ी ऐसी फीलिंग आती है. तो मैं उस फीलिंग को कैसे जता है मैम, कैसे बनाए रखें उस फीलिंग को?
अब वही बात है ना, देखो एक होता है कि मैंने आपको अपना एग्जांपल दिया ना कि मान लो यही चीज 20 साल पहले हुई होती तो फिर हम कैसे फीलिंग लाते. हमारे पास तो ना फोन है, ना कुछ था, ना कुछ भी नहीं था. हम तो रूम, अपने मम्मी पापा और दीवार, ये 3 चीजें होती. तो आप लोगों के पास क्या है? आप लोगों के पास टीवी है, मोबाइल फोन्स है, वीडियो कॉल है, तो आप लोग अपने फ्रेंड से बात भी कर पाते हो. तो अब ऑफ कोर्स उनको मिलने की फीलिंग तो नहीं मिल सकती, मगर हम हमेशा किस चीज पे फोकस करेंगे कि हमारे पास क्या है, क्या नहीं है, उस पे नहीं. तो आप इसी में खुश हो कि अरे हमने ये किया. जैसे कि मैं आपको एग्जांपल दूंगी, मेरी बेटी का बर्थडे था और उसका ये स्पेशल बर्थडे था, 7th बर्थडे. हमने उसे प्रॉमिस किया था हम बहुत अच्छे से ग्रैंड करेंगे, बट क्या हो गया, कोरोना आ गया. अब तो कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता था. तो हमने जूम के थ्रू इसी तरह से लिंक क्रिएट किया, उसके सारे फ्रेंड्स को, उसके सारे टीचर्स को, स्कूल को कनेक्ट किया. बर्थडे केक भी ऐसे काटा, गेम्स भी ऐसे खेले. तो ऑफ कोर्स जो मिलके मस्ती होती है वो तो नहीं हुई, मगर कुछ तो हुआ. सो समथिंग इज बेटर देन नथिंग. So that she felt कि हाँ मेरा बर्थडे मना, मेरे फ्रेंड्स के साथ भी मना, मेरी टीचर्स भी आई उसमें, सबने गाना भी गाया और हमने एक्टिविटीज भी रखी. So the show must go on वाली स्पिरिट होनी चाहिए. So with that, I think it's already 2:30. We have had an excellent long session, and thank you so much to all of you for staying back as well.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now I will
Yes, ma'am.
request our principal, ma'am, to please say a few words.
If you think you are bitten, if you think you are bitten, you are. If you think you dare not, you don't. If you like to win, but you think you can't, it's almost certain you won't. If you think you will lose, you are lost. For out in the world, we find success begins with a fellow's wheel. It's all in the state of mind. If you think you are outclassed, you are. You have got to think high to rise. You have got to be sure of yourself before you can win a prize. Life is a battle. Doesn't always go to the stronger or faster man, but sooner or later, the man who wins is the man who thinks he can. So that is all about the session. So that's what ma'am said such lovely, in such a lovely fashion. Kirti ma'am said that it is all in the state of mind. It's all in you. It's one life which can make the difference, and it is you. So that is what she's saying. She shared her own personal experiences such candidly and such honestly, that how she was. It's not, if you think that somebody is a celebrity, somebody is doing well in life, and somebody comes in the poster pictures, so that then there's everything is perfect about her or him. It is not like that. Agar koi bhi hai, every, in Sanskrit it is said, चक्रवर्तन दुख्यानि सुखानि च चक्रवर्तन्ते परिवर्तन्ते चक्रवत परिवर्तन्ते दुख्यानि च सुखानि च. मतलब like a cycle, it revolves, the dukh and sukh, like the excuse me, like a cycle, the happiness and sadness revolves. Sometimes you are happy, sometimes you are sad. Sometimes COVID is there, sometimes Christmas is there. Sometimes fun is there, sometimes somebody is sick. Sometimes there's a birth, sometimes there's a death. So it's all about the chakra, Jivan chakra. It's all about the revolution. The earth revolves, everything around it revolves. As the earth revolves, you know, revolution, rotation. So that is what's happening in our life also. So this is all shun, means this is all temporary. Whatever we see that this difficult time is going, I can't do it, it's only temporary. If you see beyond, there's nothing permanent, nothing permanent. Okay, so if you can't do it, if you can't speak it, if you like train yourself like Kirti ma'am, you can be as good a speaker as she is. If you train yourself, as she said, speak in front of camera, speak in front of mirror, okay, when to talk to yourself. Swami Vivekananda said that if you don't talk to yourself, you miss out speaking to the most interesting and important person of your life. Means, who is the most important person of your life? What did Swami Vivekananda said? That if you don't talk to yourself, you miss out speaking to the most important person of your life. So who is the most important person of your life? Who is the most important person of your life? Yes, it's yourself. So you must talk to yourself. Okay, speak to yourself. That's a very good stress therapy also. And that's when you speak to yourself. When you are going to shower, sing to yourself. It's not for others. Sing for yourself. This is a very good idea Kirti ma'am has given you. Speak to yourself in front of mirror. If you stammer, you have not heard, I don't know whether you have Disraeli and Demosthenes. Disraeli was a very, very, very important and very famous, one of the most famous public spokesmen. And Disraeli was a British parliamentarian, and he's known for his speeches. He used to give, Disraeli used to give such wonderful speeches, the speech that everybody used to be mesmerized. Matlab sab ekdam glued ho jate the. But you know, when Disraeli was a small kid, he used to stammer a lot. Matlab ka karte the and baat nahi kar sakte the. He could not speak clearly. And what he did, you know, he used to pick up, he go to seashore, England में जो उनकी घर seashore के पास था, most probably in the Liverpool side. So he used to pick up a pebble मुंह की जीभ के नीचे एक टेबल रखते थे और आईना की शीशे के सामने खड़े होके he used to speak to himself that so that he do not stammer, so that he did not stammer. So that he did not stammer, क्या करते थे? मुंह के नीचे he put a table below his tongue and you tried to speak so that he could speak clearly. Now you have speech therapy. I'm talking about 200 years back. So 200 years back, nobody knew that there's a speech therapy, there'll be session, there'll be mobile phone, there'll be laptop, there'll be computer. Nobody knew about it. So every day we were learning new, isn't it? That is what exactly Kirti ma'am said. Learn something new. As you have learned a lot of things from Kirti ma'am, have you? Have you learned?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So as you have learned from her, practice them.
Yes.
Okay, practice them. And the most beautiful idea she's given you, speaking in front of a mirror, that also I did, you know. And you know, when I used to, speak in the assembly when I became a teacher, I'm talking about 25 years back, in DAV Public School, when I used to speak in front of assembly, and also in St. Joseph School, when I had to address my student, I used to shake, you know, my knees used to tremble. Tak, 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 आवाज आता था. घुटने से घुटने ना धक्का खाते थे, इतना डर लगता था. Then I kept on speaking. Still I kept. I made my speech. I remembered the as the way you mug up your lessons, the way you mug up your question answers. हम वैसे अपना speech mug up करते थे, याद करते थे, memorize करते थे, and so that I don't forget. And that habit made me speak impromptu. Now you give me a subject, I can speak impromptu because I read. You have to read. If you don't know, don't know about Vivekananda, who is Vivekananda, you don't know who is Disraeli, you don't know who is Demosthenes. So how can you speak about them? Yes, you must know, you should read. And apart from reading, you should speak. These two are different. Your confidence will build. Speak to yourself, speak in front of mirror, read out loud. Read out loud to your parents, read out loud to your brother, sister. You know a story, new story. So you tell the story to somebody, maybe to your doll. Why not tell it to your doll? As ma'am was speaking so lovely, in a lovely way in the previous session, she was making all the toys alive. All the toys, all the soft toys in her home, she made them alive. They were the characters of some story. Likewise, you can make your toys and talk to them. You can talk to your diary. Talk. You have to talk. You have to speak up. You have to stand up for yourself. You have to speak up for yourself. All right? Means you have to stand up for yourself. Means whatever is going wrong with you, you have to say no. That I don't accept this happening to me. So I'll challenge whatever it is, fate or whoever is doing wrong, challenge. Okay, I don't accept this, I challenge this. And second thing is that always speak up that whatever wrong. See, so many things are going. Still, I really respect this lady. Who is that? Kangana Rawat. She's so bold. She's so brave. Whether I support her or not, that's different. But she is so bold. What she feels, she speaks up. And it's not that she doesn't have sadness. She also has sadness. She also gone through so many things. So whenever you see something wrong being done to somebody, whether it is you or somebody else, just stand up and speak up for yourself, for others, for whatever is truthful, for whatever is right. That is, if you try to do it, automatically your confidence will come up. एक सत्य बोलो और सत्य की साथ बोलो. आपकी लगता है किसी की साथ गलती हो रहा है, उनके लिए बोलो. अपने आप के लिए बोलना मुश्किल होता है, दूसरे के लिए बोलो. और दूसरे के लिए खड़े हो जाओ तो देखोगे अपने आप के लिए भी आप खड़े होने लगते हो. Okay, and then the day will come when you'll have the confidence. All right, that is what Kirti ma'am has consented to have this session. She has prepared so well. She's been preparing. You see, she has done lovely story. She's made herself. Naturally, she practiced day and night. It's not that she came here and spoke. I have practiced speaking from the last 35 years. So I can speak. All right. But you see, still I falter. Still I make some mistake, grammatical mistake somewhere the pronunciation mistake. I mistake, but I don't stop. So does Kirti ma'am. She doesn't stop. And that's what makes her the most beautiful woman in the world. She is Mrs. Beautiful woman in the world, Mrs. Worldwide, because she is that, because she never gives up. Don't give up. Okay? So that is all about Kirti ma'am, and I really like she has done a lot of research, and ma'am, I would like you to come in physically to school after this COVID thing. I mean, after this end of this COVID distancing and all these things, I would love you to come to our school, hug these children, and have a long day and a whole day with our children. Bhamini, I also invite you whenever you come to Greater Noida to your father. Please do visit our school, will you?
Of course,
Bhamini?
ma'am.
Yes, please do visit
Yes,
our
ma'am.
school.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, thank you, Tata. Thank you so much. God bless you. Come to
Thank you.
visit
Miss,
Thank you so much, ma'am, for all the lovely words. That's really nice, and I admire you myself. And it's really nice because we have even worked together on one of the projects. So you have a sight and vision for a very elaborate one that you have noticed. You're not just academic specific, you are equally interested in the co-scholastic, and that's what makes you very special and a very loved principal, which I would say. So thank you so much. It would be my honor and pleasure to be coming to grad school once things are better, and I would definitely pay a visit and meet these lovely kids.
मिस
Yes.
मिस हम जानते हैं मिस अब ये सेशन खत्म होने वाला है, तो मैम हम एक पोएम बोलना चाहते हैं कोरोना के ऊपर इन हिंदी में.
Thank you so much,
That you have
Kirti
to
ma'am,
take
and
permission
to
from
able
your
to make
teachers.
this possible.
मिस सुभाशीष.
हाँ बोलिए, कितना ज्यादा लंबा तो नहीं है, जल्दी बोलिए. Subhashi, जल्दी बोलिए, ठीक है? With your poem, great, that's great. Who has written? You have written this poem? कौन लिखे?
Yes, miss.
आप लिखे? Okay, congratulations. And with this poem, I thank everyone present here. I thank Charu ma'am, Pragati ma'am, Siddhant, and Roa ma'am, Sudarshan, everybody, and all the teachers, all the students present here, and Kirti. No words can express my thanks to you. It is a mutual admiration. I admire you a lot. Stay blessed and stay as beautiful as you are. All right. And with this, Subhashish, you start
Yes,
your
ma'am.
poem.
मुश्किल बड़ी घड़ी है, संयम बनाए रखना. मुश्किल बड़ी घड़ी है, संयम बनाए रखना. एक फासला बनाकर खुद को बचाए रखना. एक फासला बनाकर खुद को बचाए रखना. है जिंदगी नियमित, असमय से खो ना जाए. है जिंदगी नियमित, असमय से खो ना जाए. इस देश पर कोरोना हावी ना हो पाए. ये वक्त कह रहा है घर से नहीं निकलना. ये वक्त कह रहा है घर से नहीं निकलना. निज शक्ति को बढ़ाना, संकल्प से ही अपने इस रोग को हराना. निज शक्ति को बढ़ाना, संकल्प से ही अपने इस रोग को हराना. हाथों को अपने साथ ही कई बार धोते रहना. उनको नमन करें हम सेवा में जो लगे हैं. उनको नमन करें हम सेवा में जो लगे हैं. सब कुछ भुला के अपने दिन रात जुटे हैं. सब कुछ भुला के अपने दिन रात जुटे हैं. रहकर सगज हमेशा अफवाहों से भी बचना. रहकर सगज हमेशा अफवाहों से भी बनाए रखना.
बहुत ही खूब शुभाशीष, बहुत ही सुंदर.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Very good, very good. Thank
Excellent.
you. Thank you. See you all. See you all. God bless you all.
Well done. That's
Thank
nice.
you, ma'am.
Very nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye,
you,
bye,
ma'am.
everyone.
Ma'am.
Thank you to all the kiddos, and thanks to the faculty,
ma'am.
Miss Pragati, Miss Charu, and Mr. Sudarshan. Thank you so much. Bye bye. I'll take your leave now.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye. Thanks,
Thanks, ma'am.
Saeed. Stay
Thanks, ma'am.
safe. Okay.
Thank
Bye,
you.
ma'am.
Thanks, ma'am. Bye.
Bye.
Thank
Thank
you for joining, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.